Hey, what's going on? So this is the part 2 of my other video, which is the first one was installing water drop reverse osmosis water filter. So for now, I disabled my ice maker, and I did close the valve right there and purge the system of water. It's closed, disconnected. So I'll be using a 1/4 inch transparent hose, pretty strong. Uh, it should handle a house water pressure, so which is I think around 40 or 60 or 50 psi. But other than that, I have disconnected that. I'll be using, see, about the same, just thicker. I'll be using this what's that called? Union? Yeah, I'll be using this one. Actually, uh, scratch that. I'll be using this and this one because I think I have, oh yeah, I have the T-fitting, the quick disconnect. So I'll run the hose. Fortunately, I'm gonna have to drill the cabinet back there, come out all the way in the back. I'll be securing the hose, obviously, so it's not dangling around. All the way over here coming out. And this is the hose that I need to do the T connection. So I'll have filtered water going to the fridge. Alright. Alright. So this is how it's gonna go right here, and it's gonna compress this this copper here, or this brass, and it's gonna act as also as a seal. I'm also putting a Teflon around here just to be on the safe side. So if you haven't used this type of fitting where there's a brass seal, how would you know when it's tight? Well, I didn't tight it too hard. I just have to feel it and then tug on this. So when it's secured, that means that the brass here is compressed, holding the line and having a good seal. So I'm also going to disconnect the back side of my faucet and run this on the back of the osmosis. So if I have a good seal here, then I'm good. Push the pin or push the plug, pull it out. Need my two hands. Alright, I suggest that relieve the pressure. I did disconnect the power, just relieve the pressure. So just measure the black mark right there. About this much. It's about the same size. Alright, put the plug back in. This is the faucet. Put the power. See that one? It's trying to purge. Okay. I just moved in the house, so trying to get everything fixed. And we have a leak. Alright, see if I can tighten it up. Alright, so here's what happened. I know I had a leak here and it was pretty bad. What happened is I was missing the metal piece. Also, I went to Home Depot about 45 minutes away from here, and yes, I'm in the middle of nowhere. 2 gas station, my town, and also I had a problem with this one. Things keep leaking even though it was shut off, so I have to, good thing I bought a cap, and then I put the plastic compression piece in there. This plastic, oh, that's not it. There you go, this plastic, and I keep tightening it, and I'll just have to find the master valve, and I'm gonna have to change that. But anyways, I'm about to put this back in there for round 2 and turn on my reverse osmosis, and hopefully it doesn't leak. Okay, everything is hooked up. Turn it on. It's gonna do its purge. Should have water over here. Oh, I don't see any leak. Alright, well, fix one thing. Yeah, good thing is pumping. Alright, let's see. Let's double check. Dry. Alright. Just gonna drill a hole over there. Right there. And route this thing up. And do a T-fitting over there. Alright, so I got pretty much drilled across. I'm using a zip tie and staple. Yes, I could have used a good one like those wire mount whatever, but Home Depot is 40 minutes away from here and I forgot to buy it yesterday, so but I was using this this bit right here, which is pretty good actually. So got to drill everything, got the hose over there running. I'm still have to secure it so it doesn't rub or anything in there. This is the hose right here. I use a toothpick and a Teflon just to have the excess water not come out, and I'll be teeing it off here. Supply. I also went and bought this for now. Everything here is dollar store, so but other than that, I gotta work what I have. So yep. All right, so here's the tea. First I took this off and put it in here just to make sure it fits. I don't want to cut it and it doesn't fit, then I gotta go to the store again. But everything is dry. This one works. There you go. As far as TDS, I'll take 0.33. My tap water is 400 something, and then my fridge with the filter was 300, so it's still better. No leaks on the fridge, everything is good, water works. Okay. There you go. Other than that, put everything back, clean it up, and thanks for watching.